Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I'm going to show you how to do the walkover or the back walkover off of your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So, honestly, this is like a somersault slash I guess like, what do you call it? A cartwheel. It's a lot of different exercises, and it looks scarier than it is. But if you can stand on your arms and you work from your center, doing this cartwheel off your ladder barrel is totally awesome and easy, accessible. The walk back on, that might take you some time to get used to, but let's do it together, right? So if you are looking at this from the onlinepilatesclasses.com flashcard decks, you'll see we split this out from the tree because I think it is important for you to know that tree is an exercise and then this is an addition, and you don't ever have to do this. You also never have to jump back on. So here we go. We're going to sit where we would for tree, right? And then you have done all of your trees. So I've like technically finished a tree. You would never just do the walkover just because, although I guess you could practice it, but typically you do your trees. You want to be nice and warmed up. And then you would walk down for that last tree. Then I'm going to reach my arms overhead and get them to the mat. So I do have to slide down for that. Then I have to release my other foot. And then I got to use my center to come off this barrel, land with one foot, and then slide out. And my sticky socks are nice and sticky. Boom, to a split. Okay. Do you have to do the splits? No. You can just land with your feet on the floor. Then I'm going to lift my center up, come into this kick handstand that we're going to do. You want to be nice and close to the barrel. It's a little scary to do that, but you want to be close. And then you have to kick up. Boom. Then you want to come all the way up. It should sound nicer than that. I have to work on it. So we'll try the other side. You got to get yourself into it. Here's what I didn't do. I didn't reach my leg over. I just reached it up like I was doing yoga. I got to reach it over. So see, we're all learning here. It's something fun to do. So you walk down, place your hands, and then use your center to pull yourself off, and then go into your split, maybe. And then my left side's my tighter side. And then we're going to try to kick this leg over so we land with control. A little better. Brad is not approving off camera, you guys, but you have to practice and don't get obsessed with the perfection of it all to not allow yourself to land and go, oh, that wasn't with control. I have some work to do. So I'm in process. I'm sure in a few years we'll refilm this. You get to see how far I've come. It happens. And know that just getting off is where you'd start, then practicing getting on. And if you're not doing the jumping into the handstand, this is going to feel scary. So, there's all these exercises that kind of work themselves together, and that's why it's called the Pilates system. If you have questions about this, feel free in the comments below. Takeaways, aha moments, you thought it was funny. I'd love to hear it. We go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering your questions. If you're an online PilatesClasses.com member, we will answer your questions and give you feedback on your form in our members-only community. So go to onlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube to join us. You want to do it? Okay. You want to be close. So don't kick up into a handstand. Kick over. Kick over, kick over. You're there, you're there, you're there. Yep. And then a foot has to hook under. Yep. And then, or you can do both. Got to work on that round back, sir, but you got it. You got there. Sort of. Yeah. See? Everyone can do it. And does Brad practice? Not as much. Yeah. You're a little low. That's one way to, that was one way to come up. Yeah. High five. Okay.